Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to use Whiteboard in Zoom. So let's get started. So if you want to learn how to use Whiteboard in Zoom, then what you can do is just simply follow some easy steps. So first what you have to do is simply open up your Zoom application, or you can access your account through a browser. So I'll just open Zoom with my Chrome browser. So I'll just type in Zoom login. And after typing in Zoom login, now you can just simply tap on this first option which says sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you just have to enter your email address and password and then log into your account. And after logging into your account, now what you can do is just simply start a new meeting. You just tap on post and then select any one of the options. So after starting a new meeting, now what you can do is to access your whiteboard, now what you have to do is just simply tap on this option which is whiteboard. So if you can't access your whiteboard through here, then what you have to do is just simply tap on this option which says more. And after tapping on more, you should find the first option which is whiteboard. So just tap on it and then you can access your whiteboard. So what I'll do is I'll just tap on whiteboard, and after tapping on whiteboard from here you can access your whiteboard. So what you can do is you just have to tap on new whiteboard, and after tapping on new whiteboard just tap on create and then create a new whiteboard. After tapping on create a new whiteboard, now you have successfully created a whiteboard in your Zoom. So what you have to do is if you tap on this option which is up arrow, you will find all this option, or just tap on this down arrow, then you'll access some of these options. So I'll just explain you a few of these options. So this is pen. So what this option does is you can write anything that you want. So this is pen and this is erase. So you just have to tap on it and then you can erase anything that you want. So there are also shortcuts for it in your keyboard. So if you just type in E, then you can access your eraser. So if you just type in some other options, like if you just type in 5, then you can access your sharp tool. So in this way you can access your sharp tool and now you can write anything you want over here. So this is your text. So this will also just allow you to write any text that you want. So in this way you can use all these options. So just select any one of those options that you need and use it the way you like. So that's it guys, this is how to use whiteboard on Zoom. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.